Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disable eye care mode in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to disable your eye care mode, so friends you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable eye care mode in our Realme phone. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to disable your eye care mode. So we will turn on our phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see display and brightness setting. So I tap here. Then guys again scroll. Then guys you can see your eye comfort. So we call it eye care mode. So I tap here. So friends, you want to disable your eye care mode. So friends, you can disable from here. And as you want to schedule, so friends, you can see this custom and off. So you want to change to custom and you can save from here. But guys, we want to disable. We don't want to use. So I right side this icon guys, tap here to disable. Then guys you can see screen color will normal, and friends your eye care mode will disable in your Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys. Before going guys, please go and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.